Hello. Let's solve CAT 2024 slot 1 quantitative ability questions. Okay. So, there are 22 questions. Let's see one by one. Now, if x is a positive real number such that 4 log x to the base 10 plus 4 log x to the base 100 plus 8 log x to the base 1000 equals 13, then find the greatest integer not exceeding x. Okay. Now, before I start this question, there is a formula you can see, log of a to the power m and the base is b to the power n. We can write it as, you know that we can write it as log of a to the power m to the base any base c, okay, and by log of b to the power n to the any base c, and this will be, we can take m here, m times log of a to the base c divided by it, n will come here, n log of b to the base c, and we can write it as m by n log of a to the base c by log of b to the base c, it will be log of a to the base b again. So, you see that this is a important formula. So, a to the power m to the base b to the power n, we can write it as m by n times log of a to the base b, log of a to the base b, we can write it like that. So, it will help us here. Now, you see it is given as 4 log x to the base 10 plus 4 log x to the base 100, right. So, plus 4 log of x, we can write it as 4 log x, and base 100 we can write as 10 square. Okay. Now, plus 8 log x, and this 1000 we can write as 10 cube, right. So, 10 cube, and that is equal to 13. Now, or we can write 4 log of x to the base 10 plus this, we can write, see we can apply this formula, it is like x to the power 1 by 10 to the power 2. So, it will be 1 by 2. So, it will be 4 by 2 log of x to the base 10. This one again by applying this formula, this will be x to the power 1 by, I mean base is 10 cube. So, it is 1 by 3, right. So, it will be 8 by 3 log of x to the base 10, and this is equal to 13, right. Now, we can take log x 10 common. So, here we will get 4 plus 4 by 2 is 2 plus 8 by 3 times log x base 10, and this is equal to 13, right. Or we can write it as so or we can write it as LCM is 3 here. So, it will be 6 plus 8 by 3, okay. So, it will be 18 plus 8, 26 by 3, 26 by 3 times log of the x to the base 10, this is 13, right. So, here log of x to the base 10 will be 13 into 3 by 26, it got cancelled. So, it will be 3 by 2, right. So, x will be 10 to the power 3 by 2, which will be equal to 10 root 10, right. So, 10 root 10, we have to find the greatest integer function. So, 10 root 10 we have to find. So, let us find the value of root 10. Okay. So we have to find the value of root 10. So now let's say root 10. So it will be right. We can take here 3 times 339. Okay, 1. Now 3 let's add 6. Okay, now put a decimal sign or 00, right? Okay, now it will go 1 time. It will 61, right? It will be 39. This 1 will be added. This 62, right? Okay, now again 00 will come, and you can see here it will be around 6 times, because 36, right? It will go around 6 times. Okay, okay. So it will be something around 3.16. Okay, I am not multiplying here. 6 into 6, 26 into 6. It will be 3600 or 3700 something, right? So we don't need to find the exact value. So here we see that we can get 3.16 something, right? So it will be 10 root 10, right? Okay. So value of x we are getting is 10 root 10. Root 10 will be 3.16, and there may be some digits, or it will be 31.6, and there may be some digits, right? So 31.6, it will be more than that decimal. Anyway, we have to find the greatest integer, right? Okay. So greatest integer value of this, that is box 31.6 and something something. We know that answer will be 31, right? So here the answer will be 31. Okay. I hope this is clear.